to today's tutorial on our Stocksavi platform. We'll be putting you through on how to set up your page, how to put the necessary information that are required on your store so as to encourage users easy access. So let's go. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, so that, and also click on the notification button so that when next we come online you'll be notified. So we'll log into the platform. Remember, yesterday I said always use information that you can easily remember, because when you are logging in you need those necessary informations. So we put the password. Like I said, use something you can easily remember. So this is what the page looks like. You can see the store name. It can also always be different from your company name. As you can see, this is the company name and this is the store name. So you can decide to use it. Even if you want to change, you can still change it. Also, you can change the logo. In case you have a final logo, you can always change the logo. So let me show you how to change the logo in case you want to change the logo, and also put every necessary information you want to have on the page. So you scroll down to your default settings. This is your default setting. You click on it. So when you click on it, you can see the company name that is there. You can change it to something that you want. Let's assume, for example, for the sake of the tutorial, we'll be changing it to wares of kids or kiddie wears. Okay, let's say kiddie wears. Kiddie wears. Like I said, a very conversant email address you can always remember. A phone number that is very functional. Currency, you must always check to be sure it is correct. And every other necessary information, the address and everything that are necessary. So like I said earlier, in case you want to change the logo, all you just need to do is to come to this place, click on this, choose a file. It will redirect you to choose any logo of your choice, as whatever it is that you've saved it. Let's take, for instance, now for the sake of this, I want to use this. I'll just click on it and I open the file. You can see it. All I need to do now is just to save. Remember, I already changed the company name also to Kiddies Wear. So you can see here, I already changed them to Kiddies Wear. So once you've submitted, once you save setting, submitted, then you can see it here. See, Kiddie Wears, and the logo also as boldly shown on the page, so that anybody that comes would easily know how to recognize your store when they see it. So now let's also go to the dashboard. Let's show you some things that you can find. Now you can see on the dashboard, it shows you today's sales, because we've not done any sales today, so it is in 0. It will always show you the percentage of whatever sales you've made vis-a-vis yesterday. That's why I have this one that is versus yesterday. So the percentage, as the sales begins to come in, the percentage begins to show versus yesterday, vis-a-vis yesterday's sales. And also have the place where it shows you monthly sales. Whatever the month sales, what you sold this month is shown there. Also, what you have purchased this month is shown on the dashboard. Also, you can see it here. Also, performance today's sales is still on 0, like I said earlier. So every information that you require are always represented here on the dashboard. You can see everything: total sales, total purchase that has been made since the store started, total expenses, sales returns that have been made, purchases returns, like that. Also, every of your sales in the month is represented by a chart. You can see this bar chart now. This is from day 1 down to today, how far the business has done. And also you can see this pie chart also that shows the top 5 customers we have, the top 5 selling products, so that you can know the product to always invest your money, the one that ties your money down, the one that you don't need to invest in anymore. So and every other thing I need to know. So we'll be ending this tutorial here today.